Hello, so guys, today I'm going to show you how you can fix your internet connection problems, Wi-Fi problems, LAN cable, Ethernet cable, or even lag. So if you have problems during this video, you can also join Fix and we will help you out. So let's go and go to settings. By the way guys, if I sound really sick, it's because I am sick. So let's go to network. On network, I want to show you guys something. So a big difference. So what I want to show you is the LAN cable and the Wi-Fi. For example, people that use Wi-Fi have a lot big difference with the people that use LAN cable. For example, I am on LAN cable right now, and let's test my internet connection. And by the way guys, if you can like and subscribe, thank you so much, and comment down below if it works. So like you see, I have 35 Mbps or megabits. And on the Wi-Fi, let's test it out, what difference it makes. So let's test internet connection. So the Wi-Fi is taking a lot longer, like you see. And I'm gonna show you the two fixes for that. So I'm gonna show you a fix for the LAN cable and the Wi-Fi. And like you see, we have on this one 12 Mbps megabits. So like you see, the LAN cable, if you have a LAN cable, you will always get maybe up to 10 times better internet connection than using Wi-Fi. So if you have a LAN cable, always use it. But if you don't have one, or it's too far away from your router or things like that, I have a other solution too. So this is for the people that have a LAN cable and a Wi-Fi. So you can use it for both of them. For example, let's do Wi-Fi and now go to custom. So on here, choose your internet connection. Now do automatic on IP address settings. On hostname, do not specify. DNS settings, you want to do manual. Like you see, if you never used a DNS code ever before, you will get 0.0.0 and things like that. So what we want to change it on is 1.1.1.1. And this one, the secondary, is gonna be a lot different, like this. Now you can always use this DNS code, and guys, it all depends on the location where you live on. So for example, it might not work for the people that live, for example, in Africa, or it might work in people that live in the USA, just things like that. So it all depends on the country where you live on or the location. So let's do next. And once you do next, you want to go to automatic and a proxy server you don't want to use. So let's go back. I'm just gonna go back, and for the people that still have the same internet connection, once they use this one, I have another DNS code too, and this one's gonna be 8.8.8, and this one is from Google DNS code. So all of these DNS codes are free to use, and you don't need to pay to let it work, or these are not like dangerous or things like that. So these are just free open DNS codes. And here you have the DNS code of Google. So now you can go ahead and press next, but I'm gonna show you another one. So this one's gonna be 64.6. Like this. And let's go to the next one. And this one's gonna be. And by the way guys, these look the same, but these are not the same. Like you see, 65. So don't mistake on that. A lot of DNS codes are look similar to the primary and the secondary, but they are not the same, so don't mistake on that. Or you will get like a error code once you are like testing your internet connection. So here you have the other DNS codes. You can also just pause the video if you want though, if you need to fill it in and things like that. So let's go to the next one. And that's just it. And here you have the other DNS codes. So now what you can do is you can just press next. And once you press next, do automatic and do not use. Now you can just test your internet connection and see if it works out for you or if it doesn't. So these DNS codes, most of the times these work out for me. So let's go back. And what if you still have internet connection problems? The best way now is to use a LAN cable or a Ethernet cable. Or what you also can do is you can just turn off your PS4 that I'm gonna show you right now. So let's turn off our PS4. And you want to wait till it's fully closed off. And by the way guys, if you can like and subscribe, like I said, thank you so much. So let's go to our PS4. So you want to wait till the white light goes away totally. So once it's gone, you want to keep holding the PS button till you hear 2 beeps. That's 1 beep right there. And here you have a second beep, and just leave it like this. And now get a USB cable and connect it to your controller, your DualShock 4. So once you do that, go to your screen and let's see. So once you do that, you will get this screen right here. And connect to DualShock 4 using the USB cable and then press the PS button. So also guys, like you see, you can't use these ones, so you can't use these triggers. You can only, thumbsticks. You can only use these ones. X, circle, and the PS button like you see. So once you do that, you can do 3 things on this guys. So what you can do is either you can do rebuild database, that's gonna be the first one that I'm gonna show you, or you can do restore default settings, or you can initialize your PS4. Now guys, let's go to rebuild database. This is gonna be the first one that you wanna try out. And what it's gonna do is it's just gonna get rid of the corrupted data and things like that. So don't worry about getting things deleted guys, because it won't delete nothing on your PS4. And on restore default settings, it will just default all of your settings. It will be 0. So all of your settings that you, for example, if you changed like something on the DNS codes, or if you change something on the notifications, it will be all on default again. And on initialize PS4, it will just delete everything on your PS4, but this is like the last option that you want to use once you have this problem. So don't use number 6 if you didn't try out number 5 first and number 4 as second. And like I said, number 6 is gonna be your last option to do, and it will reset your console and it will delete all of your data, games, and things like that. But if you have like a online cloud, or if you have like a USB stick, I suggest you guys to upload your data on your USB stick, so you won't experience any problems once you initialize your PS4. So it's easy to upload your data back again into your PS4. So these are my tips and tricks what you can do, or like fixes, solutions, how you want to call it, to get better internet connection or fix your internet connection and get rid of lag and things like that. So what you want to try out is rebuild database. It won't delete nothing, guys. It will be just fine. So don't worry about that. And please let me know in the comments down below if it works out. And you can join Fix, like I said in the beginning of the video, the community that I showed you. So please like, subscribe, and comment down below. Goodbye.